Hi, 你好, I'm Chef Tom. We are going to boil some buckwheat noodle. This is the organic Korean buckwheat soba noodle. Follow the direction. They all different. This from Weichuan. Usually 5 to 8 minutes. And then we have ice water for bath to cool down the noodle after we done cooking. Buckwheat noodle usually just make from the buckwheat flour. Sometimes they add some wheat flour too. So boiling water, 2-3 spoon, pinch of salt, just to increase the water by 5 degrees and evenly. You see the bubbles start coming out? So they will cook evenly. And when you cook, you want to make sure you got everything ready. So now it's good. Just gonna put it in. I like to use big pot to cook my noodle, right? Much easier like that. I think this is enough for 2 people. And you're just gonna gently stir like that and let them cook until tender. 5 minutes. It's very easy. And then I got some broccoli, Chinese kailan. Just gonna put it in here. Why not, right? Broccoli probably just blanch like 2 minutes. So after I put the noodle in, after 3 minutes, I add in my broccoli. Remember, every time you add something, the temperature drop. Oh yeah. Almost there. Before I take it out, I take 1 noodle. Delicious, al dente, good, turn it off. And then now, I'm just gonna slowly, gradually add this noodle, take everything out into ice bucket, everything. Alright, let me finish this real quick. Nice. And then we're gonna use a colander to drain out this noodle from the ice water. So almost like a cold noodle style. Now I'm gonna flavor the noodle. So I'm gonna add a little bit tiny ginger and garlic. And pinch of black pepper, just tiny. Sesame oil is the key. Yeah, a little more sesame oil is okay, like that. And then fried shallot, gorgeous, in. Dash of soy sauce, in. And then I have leftover of this mushu that I have from last time. Don't over add it. And then we're gonna give them a quick toss. And use this. Oh yes. Look at the buckwheat noodle is very easy, overcooked. So we want to have the noodle and the vegetable coating with all the sauce, you know, right? So that's why we're gonna do it, toss it around. And I have this gorgeous cilantro. Cilantro is really good to go with like cold sesame noodle. This is some neighbor home grow we share. See, that's baby cilantro, it's delicious. Why not? We share, right? We are family, we are neighbor. We need to be love and kind to each other. Take care of each other. Here we go. By the way, I'm going to the Hurricane Florence and then come back for 2 weeks and then go back to Hurricane Michael. I just feel the need that we need to go reach out and help people. And I have my 2 managers go with me. We have food truck. Hopefully we can serve a couple thousand people for a trip. Alright, give it a try. Ooh boy, I don't know how to start. I don't want you guys to see me eat. Here we go. Look at that. Give me a second. So healthy, clean, buckwheat noodle. Texture good. Ginger and garlic, vegetable crunchy. Light sodium. Got sesame fried shallot in. I'm telling you. I hope you like the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Take care, my friend. Oh, so delicious. This is the good bite. When you eat noodle, make sure you slur. That's how you get all your flavor into your mouth. Who cares? Take care. Bye.